Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc President and MLA Mega Chandra stated that a public interest litigation (BIL) has been filed in the High Court of Manipur seeking an inquiry against officials of Water Resources Department of alleged lapses that led to massive destructions and loss of lives during the artificial floods that hit parts of Imphal East and Imphal West in September this year. The floods reportedly occurred following the opening of 4 gates of the Thobal multi-purpose dam. Addressing the media at his official quarters in Babupara, Imphal, the Mpcc president demanded compensation for all the affected families. He claimed that the flood severely impacted areas under Andhra Assembly constituency, Mayang Imphal and Wangoi, causing extensive damage to standing crops, fish farms, livestock and residential properties. Mega Chandra further alleged that the dammed gate were opened on September 14, a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state on September 13, resulting in the sudden surge of water that caused widespread devastation. He said that there were reports of casualties in Mayang Imphal and large-scale damage to fish farms. He informed that he had submitted a written complaint to the Chief Secretary on September 19, following which senior officials of Water Resources Department reviewed whether there were any departmental lapses. He expressed dissatisfaction, stating that no response was received from the governor regarding his demand for compensation and action against responsible officials. According to him, the Chief Secretary was again apprised of the matter on October 16 and a PIL was subsequently filed before the High Court on November 17. Mega Chandra added that the High Court has now ordered the formation of a committee led by the Chief Secretary to investigate the matter and submit a report by March 2 of 2026.
Department latraba dauna administration latraba water resources department je thika taunanaba lut taunanaba leiba department oina lakpa maramasina masigi handaki honorable high court na piriba masiga mari leinana investigation ji phajana tawgadabani leiriba parja singi paksanna yumamta turenpan leiriba along the rivers Thawal river Taitai river Imphal river masida sokhan giba mayam singse yumdong khudimaki compensation misi mina thokiba singdo compensation adagi low sing thungiba mayam singdo compensation se fajana pi de bhayaro maram di masi water resources department ki chief engineer ki then concerned engineer sing si ki negligence ni masi ki daita se lai raba praja sing na daita logudab nate